Hi, I'm Bob Van Dyke. I run the Connecticut Valley School of Woodworking in Manchester, Connecticut. They asked me about my tool cabinet here, so I thought I'd show you. This was a class that we've done a couple times at the school, and one of the highlights of the class is working with the veneer on the front. This is a 4-way book match of curly maple. The whole thing has been French polish with shellac. And then here's a banding that I made, and this is a sand shaded banding of holly and black dyed veneer. And that's the box. But more important than what's on the outside is what's on the inside. So let's open it up and take a look. I've been asked a couple of times if I actually use all these tools, and yes, I do. With the exception, the Stanley 45 is really there for show, except it turns out I've actually used that a couple of times. Last year we were doing a class, we needed a plow plane, so that's what I was using it for. But the other stuff I use all the time, but here's the ones that I use on an everyday basis, and this cutting gauge here is all the time. This Lee Nielsen dovetail saw is hands down the best one I've ever used. The shoulder plane here is a constant. The Lee Nielsen low angle block plane, and then this Stanley number 4, I don't think I could go a day without using this. So there's also a little bit of storage behind the plane till there. So if I pull these down, this lifts up and I can store stuff under there, some extra fences and that sort of thing. Stuff I don't use very often. And this side comes up also, but I rarely open that side. So that's it. I really prefer this type of tool storage rather than the tool chest on the floor, because to me it's just easier to work this way. I can stand back and just pick anything out that I need, and I'm right at the bench. So this is it. At the end of the day, I close it up, and then I lock it up, and I'm done.